Whee! Ooh, dizzy. So I crashed my drone. Last night I was flying it. I thought it would be cool to like get some snow footage because it was snowing over here. I kind of lost it, but I found it. I had to drive like about 2 miles away, and I didn't know. I thought it was all cool to fly it in the snow and get like a little cool snow footage or whatever. I'm gonna show you after this, but I just found it's funny that I crashed my drone. It didn't crash technically. It just went down. It landed itself because it lost signal from the DJI Fly app, and yeah, so. It's a little bit scary. Had to go into some rice paddies to go retrieve it. When I was out there, I was like, I should have brought my GoPro and recorded all this. So you see my pain of trying to get YouTube content, content for YouTube and share it and stuff like that. So did not wear the proper attire to walk in the snow on the rice paddy fields, if you understand what I'm saying. So in Korea, the rice paddies are like deep, like yeah, like that. It's like little berms or whatever. After they collect the rice every year, they always like pull the soil up with a machine. I don't know what machine it is. If you do, just comment down below, right? So basically it messes up the soil and it's uneven earth. I was walking on because I drove my car around on one of the roads that separates the rice fields or whatever, and then like I was tracking my tracking a DJI drone controller thing. I'm walking, I'm like, it's right across the field. I'm like, wait, it's close. So it's beeping, the beeping app, which I do commend DJI for making that like really awesome Where's My Drone app, like on the iPhone and Android devices. So I'm out there like walking around, looking around, and it says it's close, and right in front of me is just nothing but fields and fields. So I had to get out of my car, slide down, because the road is a little bit higher than where the rice paddies are. The rice fields is like, so I had to slide anyway. Basically, go down 4 feet, walk across this uneven earth. Pause. All right, so I'm back. Yeah, so that's basically it. I had to walk across uneven earth to get my drone back. Found it, I got it, but you'll see the footage right now. It's kind of interesting. And yeah, don't fly your drone in the snow too far away from you. I mean, close enough, it was fine. I think I actually, once it hit like that mile mark or mile and a half marker, just being here in Korea with all the cell phone towers and everything else and high speed, I don't know what kind of waves are going on. And plus snow, yeah, it didn't go so well. Normally on a clear day, yeah, it'll go out and then come back, but it literally landed itself. It was like, nope, nah, bro, you good. I'm hang out right here. And the thing about the thing about where it landed was like in between some rice patches or what have you, like that. So I was trying to launch it again from where I was because I got the signal back when I pulled up. It didn't want to go because I was trying to launch it for the car because I was lazy and it's snowing. It was still snowing. The blades were being blocked by the rice paddy patches because they don't cut it all the way down to the ground. It cuts it like this much. So like the blades on my DJI Mini 2 was being blocked from launching, which I was like, makes sense. But yeah, hope you enjoy it and see my pain. Well, it's not pain, but like you can see what happened. All right, thank you for watching.